I started in 1996, and yes, my kids joke that I'm from the 1900s. I started in 1996 with an internship, and I look back, and at that time we had 30 employees. Everybody had lots of hats that they wore because it took, everybody coming together just to make sure we could get the job done. And I wasn't just always focused on accounting. It was, if I had to go back and help cycle count inventory, I was back there doing that. And yeah, it was just big teamwork for sure back then. My major roles are really, like I said, in the finance area and also in the HR department. I love accounting and I love crunching the numbers, and so it was a perfect fit. Carl Ernst Brinkman is what KEB stands for. He is the founder, and during that first year being here, meeting him, he was a very down-to-earth person, and knew this is the kind of place I wanted to work for, the family that I was happy to work for. When I started here, from that point until now, our sales have grown tenfold. And we had started in Mendota Heights in a building that was 26,000 square feet. And in 2004, we built this new building here, and it's 75,000 square feet. We moved in 2005, so we're coming up on our 20-year anniversary of being in this building. And then in 2021, we expanded the building, doubled the size to 150,000 square feet. With the original building, I was part of the building committee, so it was a lot of fun for me because I was constantly driving from Mendota Heights to Shakopee just to check out where everything's at. Do we have any issues, anything we need to address? So I was constantly in the midst of all of that, and it was a lot of fun. But probably the highlight for me was when we started, it was at a point where we could start to bring employees down and let them come in and see where it was at, and just watching their eyes light up. It was, like Christmas morning. It was great. It was, again, going back to the pride of everybody going, wow, this is happening, and this is going to be our building. There was just huge excitement going from that old building to this brand new facility. I mean, the excitement, we knew that all the hard work we'd been putting in over the years was finally paying off, and we were able to move to this location and just show, it was a lot of pride in our employees for what they've achieved with that. And then with the new addition, it was really, we just had no more room. We needed more warehouse space, we needed more production space, we needed some more office space. So, we just decided to start working through the plan of, which was our phase 2 of building, and to extend the building to double the size of the building at that time. And so the vast majority of that expansion was warehouse because we just needed more space. And what was actually a lot of fun about that part was that everybody came to work every day, and every day you could see the progress of the new building, and it just was exciting. Like, okay, a new wall went up, or they're putting in the concrete, or it was just everyday excitement that the employees got to enjoy that journey the entire time instead of more towards the end of the building. Also, it freed up a lot of space in the original building for more production, being able to make sure everything's laid out in a very productive, efficient way, and instead of being kind of crammed in and busting at the seams. So yeah, over the years it's just been amazing to be here and watch going from 30 employees to now 150. Going from a building that, 26,000 square foot building we were renting to now owning a 150,000 square foot building. And ultimately, the reason I am still here too are the people. I love working with the people I do because they're hardworking, they're dedicated, and we all, take a lot of pride. And again, looking back and going, we've really had a lot of challenges along the way, but I always tell people, challenges build character. And for us, I really can look back and be like, the character of KEB as something I'm extremely proud of. We've all worked hard and gone through those challenges, and now built up the character of the company. And so yes, I've absolutely loved working at KEB, and I just really looking forward to the growth into the future for us.